This is a used iPhone I purchased off of eBay, and the weird thing about it is the Wi-Fi doesn't show up. It just gives you this error message. And also for Bluetooth, it just keeps on spinning and thinking. So Bluetooth and Wi-Fi don't work. I'm gonna probably try updating it through iTunes. This is an old iPhone SE 2016, and when I go into Bluetooth settings, I can't search for Bluetooth, so as well as Wi-Fi. It's all disabled, even over here. In Control Center, Wi-Fi is disabled. So Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are gone. First, I should try factory resetting it, and then try updating the iOS. I tried resetting it by pressing power and holding it, turning it off. It also says to, I think, network settings. So again, under General, scroll down to Reset. Reset content settings? No. Resets. Reset all network settings. I suggest resetting the network settings. That might fix the issue. Again, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi don't work. You can see that's still disabled. Let me go erase contents and settings. So contents and settings. Here's iPhone. Let's see what happens now. Just factory reset it. It's acting up right now. Acting up because the battery ran out. Go set it up. So I have to hook it up to a computer, set it up. Wi-Fi still not working. This won't let me use Wi-Fi. Stuck here. Looks like I'll have to update iOS. See what happens there. This is an iPhone SE. The Wi-Fi no longer works on it, so when I try to set it up, it gets to this screen where it says connect to a Mac or PC. Every time I click on use Wi-Fi, nothing happens. Press the home button, and when I try to press the Wi-Fi settings, nothing happens too. So that's a problem for me. I'm gonna go hook it up to a computer and get it set up, but just wanted to show you this problem over here. I think it's running iOS 15.5 or something. Opened up iTunes. It says your iPhone has been unlocked. It's over here. Okay, now that's set up. I'm gonna scroll from the bottom. After factory resetting, Wi-Fi is still disabled, and Bluetooth is constantly searching. It's Wi-Fi. Bluetooth isn't any better. So I'm gonna go and try to update the phone. It's currently running iOS 15.5. Not sure if that's gonna help or at all. Got this iPhone SE first generation, and I'm gonna try to update it. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth issues, so let me try updating it. What's the worst thing can happen? Updating it. Next, and let's see what happens. It's gonna work its magic over here. I just used iTunes. To update this broken iPhone of mine. So now it went from 15.5 to 15.8. Wi-Fi is still broken. Bluetooth I can enable, but it doesn't do anything. So we still have the same problem. Bluetooth doesn't do anything. And over here it says iOS 15.8. So I'm pretty much stuck right now.